Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do this rain filter. So if you want to edit your rainy videos, rainy footages, you can just use Capcut. And here you can start by opening the Capcut apps and then tap on new project. In this case, I'm going to just use a rain video on Capcut library. Let's just find one. For example, this one, you can click on it and tap on add. Okay, so after you add the rain video, this one, you can just go straight to adjust. You can click on adjust and you can do this settings. So you can follow this exactly, or you can also adjust it or modify it again to fit your videos. So for the brightness in here, I'm going to lower it to a negative 32 like this. And then for the contrast, lower it to a negative 50. And the saturations, I'm going to lower it to around negative 19. And let's increase the brilliance to around 7. And swipe, click on highlights and lower it to negative 50 all the way down. And tap on shadows, increase it to 50. Sorry, lower it to negative 50. Okay, I'm not going to 50 because it's going to dark, so let's just go with 25. And now find temperature and lower it to negative 6 and set the hue to negative 4. And this is optional, but you can also add some fade effect. I'm going to add it around 5. And here you can click on the check icon and now add some filters. So go to filters, and in here I'm going to add the cold filter. Let's just use the search button in here and tap on cold. Okay, this one, and add around 50. And that's it. This will be the final result. So that's how you can do rain filters on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye.